Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say a happy Eid to all of my Muslim viewers. Eid Mubarak. I hope you had a wonderful Eid with your family and friends filled with happiness and yummy food. I know I did, but I definitely want to say happy Eid to all. I hope you enjoyed your Eid this year. Today I have a very natural but pretty look going on because I will be reviewing the new Jouer Cosmetics collection called Champagne and Macaron. Now this collection includes a beautiful all-in-one palette, 3 lip glosses, as well as a lip balm. Now originally they were also supposed to release eyeshadow palettes or eyeshadow little kind of mini palettes that look like macaroons, but they never released it with the release date of this entire collection. I'm not sure why. Regardless, I do love what was released, and I ended up using this entire palette both as bronzer, blush, and eyeshadow, and I think it created such a beautiful, pretty look. I really love the bronzer in this palette. It's not too light and not too dark, kind of gives you that sun-kissed type of look. It's a perfect bronzer for the summer, and I think even in the winter you could definitely use this bronzer. It's just beautiful. I love these kind of palettes that kind of encompass everything all in one. This is all you need for bronzer, blush, and highlighter, and they're all so beautiful. Now for the blush, I actually use them as eyeshadows as well. I love this color right here. This one is in Romance Me, and it's very, very beautiful. It's kind of a darker type of tone, no shimmer, which I love. So what I did is I pat this all over my eyelid, and it gave just a beautiful type of eyeshadow look. I also use this as a blush all over, and it was intense but not too intense. And then I used Light Me. Now this blush here has more of a shimmer to it. They do look a little bit chalky, just a tiny little smidge, but it still worked very beautifully. I applied this over top of Romance Me just as an eyeshadow, and it really gave a little bit more of a glow since this blush has no shimmer whatsoever. Also on my cheeks, I applied this shade right onto the apples of my cheeks, and I feel like it really gave kind of an oomph to my blush. Jouer creates beautiful highlighters, and this one is no exception. It's definitely a beautiful shimmery champagne shade. I love it. I applied it right on top of my cheeks as a highlighter as well as the corners of my eyes, and I think it looks beautiful. For the longest time, I used to love wearing lip glosses. I've kind of steered away from that because I've been wearing lipstick more so, but now with us wearing masks, I just really feel that lipsticks are unnecessary because no one really can see them. But I feel like having a lip gloss to kind of moisturize your lips as well as give you that little bit of color is perfect, especially during these times. I've been loving wearing these. I think they're so beautiful. Now, do you need all 3 of them? I don't think so, just because I feel that they're very similar in color. For instance, this one in Pearl kind of adds a little bit of a shimmer to your lips. It is very beautiful. All of these shades, all of these lip glosses are beautiful on the lips. They feel so moisturizing, and I love that they give that little bit of plumping effect to your lips. This shade in Feminist, it is a gorgeous baby pink color, but I would say out of all 3 lip glosses, this is the most sheer. You can hardly even tell that it has any shade to it, but it gives you a kind of your lips but better shade, and I love this kind of shade, especially in nighttime when I want something to moisturize my lips. I love applying something like this because it gives me just a little bit of color, but not too much for it to be kind of really insane. This is very beautiful. This is the final shade in the lip glosses. It gives a little bit more color, still pretty sheer, but I still feel that it gives such a plumping effect to the lips and just a glow. I have it on right now, and I think that it's beautiful. If I would recommend any one of these, I would probably recommend this shade here. I think that it's the prettiest out of the bunch. I love the champagne lip balm in this collection. I think the packaging is so pretty and cute. I love putting this in my bag bag. And also the balm itself is sheer with a little bit of shimmer, but it really is so moisturizing on the lips. I love it. It's perfect, especially during the winter time. I think this will be the perfect balm. And that's it for my review of Jouer's new Champagne and Macaroon collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope if you were considering this collection, it made your choice a little bit easier. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.